Today, we are going to be thinking about the steps that need to be taken in our how-to writing. Let's take a look at the mentor text in front of us. Yesterday, we talked about making sure we've listed all of the materials that our reader will need to follow our steps. Today, we are going to talk about how important it is to put our steps in order and make sure that we're specific on what needs to be done. Let's read through these directions one more time. As I'm reading, notice some of the words and the order in which this author put the directions in her writing. Directions. First, take the Christmas lights, starting with the plug at the bottom. Wrap the lights around the Christmas tree, pulling the lights up a little each time you go around so that you cover the entire tree. Notice how specifically she said that you needed to start at the bottom. Imagine if you tried to put lights on a Christmas tree and you started from the top. That would be a little messy and the tree might fall over because you'd have to plug it in and pull the whole tree over. The next step says, next, take your garland and wrap it around the tree in the same way you did the lights. Then, take your ornaments out of the box and hang them on different branches of your tree. Make sure that they are spread out on the tree as you hang them. Imagine if she accidentally put this one first. What if you put your ornaments on first before you put on your lights? If I put my ornaments on first, I might knock them off when I'm putting on my lights, and it would be much more challenging to put my lights on. After that, hang the candy canes on different branches of the tree, spreading them out like the ornaments. Last, plug in the Christmas lights on your tree. I love the ending that's added here too. It says, after you have followed these easy steps, you will have a beautiful Christmas tree to admire throughout the holidays. Thinking through the steps that someone needs to take to follow your directions is very important. And before we start drafting, I would like you guys to think through what needs to be done to successfully do your activity or your tutorial. Now, today for your task, I would like you to record a video of yourself on your camera. Talk through the steps that will need to be taken. I noticed a lot of transition words here. First, next, then, after that, and last. That could be helpful as you're talking through the steps that need to be taken. Make sure you're putting them in the right order and make sure you're not missing anything important. Once you've finished recording your video, you are going to upload it into our media file. You can find that in our how-to folder. The media file is called Directions and Procedures, and it says upload the video of you talking through the directions for your how-to writing. You can go into this folder and push the blue plus. Then you can choose your video from your photo library and add it in. Make sure you take the time to listen to at least 2 of the directions from someone else in our class. Think through the directions and steps that you need to share. I can't wait to hear what you've thought through.